Toni, we're eating travel with Toni. We have 9 days until our next cruise, and I'm so excited. It's a lot of firsts, at least for me and my partner. This is going on an inaugural cruise. This is with Sun Princess. This is the first time we'll be doing that, of course, and then this is my first time I'll be, of course, creating content, doing videos, and showing y'all what we're doing on this cruise ship. So like I said, I can't wait, y'all. Like I said, it's a whole lot of firsts for us. So like I said, what I've done to prepare so far, we already have our, let me get up out of here, our princess medallions. I can't open it because I'm holding my phone, but we do have our medallions. The medallions are like the things that you use to, of course, to purchase food, to, of course, purchase, not food, but purchase whatever you want to purchase on the cruise ship. Drinks or that kind of thing with. Usually you have a card, but they have like these cute necklace medallions. So we have those. Oh, it just dropped on the floor. And then I had ordered these little kits. These little 3-ounce TSA bottle kits, I guess we can take in our carry-on bags, because we're not going to be checking on any bags this time. This is our first time doing that too. So like I said, we had to buy some of those little 3-ounce containers to put our lotion and all that kind of stuff into. So I'll show y'all how that goes once we get to boarding and that kind of thing, and let y'all know whether it was a breeze or whether it wasn't. So like I said, I'm definitely excited, y'all. We got 9 days. I cannot wait. I cannot show y'all how much fun we have on this cruise. Make sure that you stay, of course, connect with me and follow the page.